An increased focus on mental health education in the Vermont construction industry, as it's one of the leading fields for high overdose and suicide rates in the state. Officials are highlighting a new partnership that focuses on getting Narcan into the pockets of construction site workers. And as ABC 22's Isabel Schoeneman reports, leaders say efforts have been successful so far.
How can we help those struggling with mental health and substance use disorders? A question Reed Wabi and Stephanie Bush aim to answer. The pair created a partnership between the Vermont Department of Health and the Associated General Contractors of Vermont, getting educational courses and overdose reversal drug Narcan out to construction workers. Wabi has a passion for drug and alcohol training and says he found alarming data through research.
The Vermont construction industry had the highest rate of both suicide and overdose out of any industry in Vermont.
He says in 2021, 23% of suicides and 26% of overdose deaths in Vermont were in the construction industry.
That was really troubling to me. Those numbers are terrible.
He says AGC has always focused on worker safety and decided to implement new kinds of training and resources within the industry.
We really decided to jump in and take a proactive approach when it comes to training and education as it relates to both overdose and suicide.
Overdose prevention training began in July. Since then, Wabi says 85% of AGC members have asked for more Narcan, and efforts have expanded to cover a range of mental health disorders. In a time when overdose rates are unprecedented, Bush says distributing Narcan can be the line between life and death.
Most people that die from opiate overdoses are in private residences or in their homes. And so how can we also support those members and those families that are maybe not on the job site at the time?
Wabi says acceptance of the partnership has exponentially grown since the start.
As we've been working with the Vermont Department of Health, we've been able to distribute more than 7,500 harm reduction packs, which are these little blue packs that have a bunch of great resources in them for someone who might be going through substance use disorder.
Now, Wabi and Bush are on a mission to get Narcan on every construction site throughout the state and to bring more communities together in the future.
I'm just extremely grateful that the partnership has been going so well and that people are so willing to do the things that are necessary for other Vermonters.
Carry Narcan if you have someone in your life that may be at risk of overdosing. The other piece around suicide is 90-8 is an amazing resource for someone that's in crisis if you yourself are having thoughts of suicide or if you're concerned about someone else.
In Montpelier, Isabel Schoeneman, ABC 22 News.